In this video, we'll show you how to navigate the process and make the best decisions for both parties. So stay tuned until the end to get all of the information. When facing divorce proceedings, it is important to act with care and consideration for everyone involved. Here are some strategies men can use to protect themselves during a divorce without sacrificing their values or taking advantage of their wives. Put your children first. It is important that any decisions taken in a divorce reflect what is best for any children involved. This may mean different things from one situation to another, so be sure to do research into what would be most beneficial for them before making any big moves like filing paperwork or signing legally binding documents. Remember that their well-being should always come first when making decisions related to custody arrangements and financial obligations after a split-up has occurred. Don't rush into anything. Divorce proceedings can take time and cause stress on both parties, but they don't have to go too quickly either way. In order to minimize these negative effects as much as possible, try not skip over steps in haste just because they seem complex or tedious, like mediation sessions, which may feel uncomfortable at times but could ultimately lead towards better solutions down the line if given enough attention up front. Take care of yourself during this tough period. It's easy to forget about taking care of oneself while focusing all energy onto legal matters. However, mental health should still remain top priority. Both sides will benefit greatly from managing emotions properly through therapy, counseling, relaxation exercises, etc. Going through such an emotionally charged event requires patience, resilience, determination, perseverance, strength. Finally, remember that no matter happens going forward, keep being kind, understanding, compassionate yourself, others around. This video does not provide legal, financial, or tax advice. The information provided in this video is for informational purposes only and should not be interpreted as legal advice. If you require legal advice, please contact a qualified attorney, for example, by signing up for a free course on our website DivorceLab.pro. We will connect you with the pre-selected lawyers or other experts you may need. Join our free course to learn how to navigate the divorce process. Learn about the negative impact of divorce on you, children, and family, and how to protect your rights. Pre-selected experts are available to help men through this difficult time. Get it free now at DivorceLab.pro. Understand that divorce is a very serious decision and can have long-term psychological, economic, and social implications for both parties. Take some time to think carefully before deciding whether or not to file for divorce. In most cases, it is best to try to save the marriage and work on resolving any issues you may be facing rather than filing papers in court. Spend some quality time together with your spouse without distractions such as TV, phones, computers, or other activities. Talk about what went wrong in your relationship and why you feel like the marriage has reached an impasse. Consider attending couples counseling sessions if possible, as this could help identify major problems in the relationship, which contributed to its downfall, and how they can be addressed moving forward. Make sure both spouses are willing to put forth effort into saving the marriage for it to succeed. This means open communication of feelings, compromises on disagreements, and a willingness from both sides of putting in the necessary hard work required for successfully rebuilding trust between each other again after experiencing difficulties with one another over a period of time. Respect each other's point of view even when there are differences of opinion. It is important not only during disagreements, but also through times where things might seem calm, so as not undermine progress made within therapy sessions or discussions held between yourselves at home regarding how best approach challenges faced by either party involved within the marital union itself, that is, joint financial decisions. Think about what would be best for children involved if couples decide against getting divorced. Although parents should prioritize their own happiness firstly when making difficult decisions such as these ones. They must also consider any potential harm caused towards offspring solely based upon personal conflict existing between themselves, which could end up leading them towards separation proceedings. Instead, emotional trauma experienced by young minds cannot be overlooked here. Research statistics related specifically divorces impacting families around North America, other regions globally. Many studies conducted recently have reported increasing rates among married couples who choose dissolution as opposed to staying together despite difficulties encountered during course life lived together. This provides useful information which allows individuals contemplating taking legal actions understand their options better beforehand, plus get more informed perspective prior initiating processes associated with dissolving unions legally recognized under law USA, UK, etc. Studies suggest that around 50% marriages end up dissolving within 5 years. However, experts believe the figure could potentially increase due to various factors, including increased availability of resources, allowing spouses easier access, courts seeking relief measures available there, etc. Seek professional guidance from qualified professionals familiar dealing with legal matters pertaining family law, divorce proceedings, US, UK, Canada, etc. Regardless whether couple decides stay married happily ever after or pursue alternative avenues aimed breaking ties, tying bond established through matrimony initially. It highly recommended obtaining advice, pertinent lawyer, experienced handling cases similar yours, order, ensure fair representation all parties involved throughout process, ensuring rights protected appropriately, accordance applicable state statutes governing issue concerned, ensuring just outcome achieved satisfactory manner. Everybody concerned. Please note different countries impose unique regulations regards dissolution relationships. Therefore, research done ahead, any action taken guarantee understanding position looking defend obtain desired result situation specific terms conditions apply policy varies widely region nation basis consult experts knowledgeable field gain full appreciation possibilities outcomes situations particular case might entail prior taking final steps severing connection partners jointly shared previously general rule thumb attempt reconcile differences efforts exhausted failed attempts achieve reconciliation finally terminated then next step should taken carefully consideration given consequences terminating agreements binding two individuals until further notice etc. Filing for divorce is never an easy decision, but with careful consideration and wise choices it doesn't have to be destructive either. Men who understand the importance of putting their children first, waiting before making big changes, and looking after themselves throughout this process may find success in saving their marriage despite all odds being against them, and there are statistics showing evidence of marriages coming out stronger on other side after going through tumultuous divorces together. USA 30%, UK 24%, Australia 31%, Canada 25%. We hope our tips today give men some guidance when navigating this difficult journey ahead. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Join our free course to learn how to navigate the divorce process. Learn about the negative impact of divorce on you, children and family, and how to protect your rights. Pre-selected experts are available to help men through this difficult time. Get it free now at Divorce Lab Pro.